How to recover deleted messages from Instagram after the new update. Do you want to recover deleted Instagram messages? Is it possible to retrieve deleted messages from Instagram? The answer is yes and no. According to Instagram, deleted message is removed from your account immediately and moved to recently deleted. The recently deleted messages will be automatically deleted after 30 days, and that deleted messages on Instagram cannot be restored. So, how to restore deleted messages from Instagram. In this video I will show you the only way to recover deleted messages from Instagram after new update. So, let us start. If you have accidentally deleted a message on Instagram, you can take a few simple steps to recover Instagram deleted messages. Tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap the 3 horizontal lines in the top right. Then, select your activity from the options that pop up. Scroll down and tap on Download Your Information. Enter the email where you'd like to receive the data and tap Request Download. Enter your Instagram account password and tap Next in the top right. You'll now receive an email titled Your Instagram Information. Once you receive the email, click Download Information. This will send you back to Instagram. You may need to log in again to verify it's you. Click Download Information. The link will be available for up to 2 weeks, so be sure to download it before that time period is up, or you'll need to request a new link. Now you need to select Message and extract it. Head to the Messages folder to see an archive of your chats. It's important to note that this folder will only contain the information that is stored on Instagram's servers, so you might not find everything you're looking for. So, this is how to recover deleted messages from Instagram. I hope this video will help you to restore deleted messages from your Instagram account. Thanks for watching this video. And don't forget to hit the like button below the video and share it with your friends. If you want more videos like this, then tap on the subscribe button and join us.